next topic that we're going to be looking at is factorization. So factorization is a method of reversing the process of expanding brackets. So you're already given an expression that is expanded and you need to return the brackets in. So let's do an example. Imagine you're given 5x minus 10. So in order to reverse the process of brackets, we remove 5 and you have x minus 2. So this one was brackets were removed and this remained. So if you're factorizing, you're removing a common factor here and you remain with this one. Let's move to the next one. Factorize a minus b c. So common factor here is b. So ab minus c. So that's factorized. Let's move to the second part. Factorizing algebraic expressions. These are expressions, not equations. So you have 5p squared minus 21p plus 4. So there is a rule here that we use to factorize. You find factors that when you multiply both of them, remember when you have your brackets on, maybe x plus a constant a, here x plus another constant b. So you're going to multiply x times x squared, x plus b, a plus x. So you're going to have x squared here, then plus a x plus bx plus ab. So you're going to have x squared plus xa. So that's it. So what you have to remember is that the value here is a result of addition of the two factors, and the value at the end is a result of multiplication of the two factors. So let's try and find that value. So here, if you have, let's try minus 1. Since it comes out as a positive, which means both values are negative. Minus 1 and minus 4. So minus 1 times minus 4, that gives us plus 4. So let's try it. 5p minus 1. Right, that's p minus 4. Let's try and expand it to see if it's reached that one. 5p squared, so that's minus 20p minus p plus 4. So it comes out minus 21p plus 4. So this is the factorized form. This is the factorized form. So you must be able to find these two factors. So let's do the other one. Let's do the other one. So I want you to do this one in the comment section. And let's try and do number 4. So you have x squared plus 5x plus 6. X squared plus 5x plus 6. And you are asked to factorize that. So remember, the median value is as a result of addition of the two, and the final value is as a result of the multiplication. So which number can we multiply and give us 6 and add that can give us 5? So 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Since they are positives here, our factors are going to be plus 2 and plus 3. So x plus 2, x plus 2, and x plus 3, x plus 3. So you always use factors like this. You add the two factors, they should give you the middle coefficient. You multiply the factors, they should give you the last constant. That's how you find your factors. So we are done with factorization, and we are going to be looking at highest common factor and lowest